Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can make digital downloads to sell on Etsy. So first go to your Etsy shop and then go add a listing, and then here you can upload photos of your products. So let's say you're selling a wall print art, and then you can add more photos that will show people how it looks like on the wall or on a frame. So for example, you can do mock-ups that are available in Canva. So search for wall art in Canva, and here you will see this frame mock-ups that are hung on the wall, and then you can customize this template you see from Canva. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to uploads and then upload a file. So just upload a photo you are gonna sell on Etsy, and then select that photo once it's fully uploaded and just place it on the frame mock-up. And then once you're done, just click share, click download, make sure it's in PNG, and then click download. And then once it is fully downloaded, you can attach it here on your Etsy photos. There you see it's now uploaded. You can also add a video if you want to. You can add the title here, and then of course you can fill up everything in here, so what it's made of and what the product is, and when did you make this art. If it's recent, you can put it, and then you can also put here the category of your product. So if it's a print product, you can do it and choose it here. There are other options as well, and then of course you can choose the primary colors so that when people search for this filter, they can see your product. And then you can put here the size, width or height, then the orientation, the framing, if it's framed or not, and then what kind of home decor it is, and then what kind of occasion or what type of art is it. And then you can also put here what holiday is perfect for this kind of artwork or wall art, and then you can choose other options here as well. So just fill up everything in here. Of course, put here the price of the product and the number of stocks or quantity that you have on hand, and then you can choose the options for shipping, and that's how you make digital downloads to sell on Etsy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.